Hey you guys, we're gonna go ahead and do some projects, and I decided to go ahead and share them out with you. They're just little mini projects, but why not share them with you since I'm making them? Now, I picked this up at the dollar store, and this is a container that you can put nail polish in, but I'm gonna go ahead and put alcohol. I wanted to put in alcohol so when I clean my projects for my decal, I think that would be very helpful. That way I don't have to carry the whole huge bottle with me. I mean, you could if you want to, but I'm not going to do it. And I picked it up in the teal, which matches my Cricut. That's the only reason I did this color and not the pink, because I do love the pink. But let's just take this off. It's not too bad to remove the sticker. It's coming off. And there you go. Now we're going to see if this really works. I'm going to fill it up right now, and I'm going to clean all the projects. I'm also going to go ahead and we're going to make this really pretty for a birthday. And I'll be adding this to her birthday basket. And this is pretty. So I really don't need to clean this, but I'm going to go ahead and do it anyways. And we're going to go ahead and make a birthday basket that I need anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and prep it with you. I'm going to remove this, and we're going to remove the bottom one. Anything that's inside. And let's go ahead and see if this works. I'm going to pour my alcohol in here, and let's just see if it works or if it doesn't, so you won't buy it. But I heard from a ton of views on Instagram that it does work. So it actually, look at this, to the drop. I'm gonna go ahead and close it up. Make sure it does not fall. Once it's locked, nice and tight, open it up, and we're gonna start using this and see if it works. I have a towel right here. And supposedly, you're supposed to just grab it, pump it up. It works. Isn't that adorable? And it works very well. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this since I'm adding a decal there. I'm going to go ahead and clean this one. Oh, it actually works very well. You don't need a ton of pumps. And I'm going to clean this one just because I'm going to add the decal here. Make sure there's no smudges. And let me tell you, it works really good. Go ahead and pick yourself one up. I have on Instagram all the colors that are available. So go ahead and check out my Instagram so you can get all the colors there. It works amazing. And this will be great for your nail polish as well. So go ahead and pick that up. Now let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to prep these. So what I mean with prep is I'm going to go ahead and add the transfer sheet. So let me go ahead and prep these really fast so it won't take too long. I'm going to show you one at least, or what I'm talking about. All you do is cut it and measure it. Then you're going to add your transfer sheet right onto it. Grab your scraper, scrape it down, and it's ready. So let me go ahead and do them all really quick. Okay, so everything is ready. The first thing I'm going to add is the alcohol sign to my alcohol bottle because I don't want them to think it's nail polish or anything like that. So I decided to write on their alcohol. I'm going to press it down. I think that is so cool. And then I'm going to just lift it. Let me go ahead and clean my hands up. It was a little dirty. And there you go. I just peeled it off, sorry. I thought it was filming, but it says alcohol. So that's ready. You're gonna see this all the time when I'm making my arts and crafts. The next thing I wanna do is this basket. So let's go ahead and do this. It's gonna be a birthday basket. So I'm gonna put this bowl right in the middle. I want it to look like this, yeah. So make sure whatever the middle is to you, once you set it, you cannot lift it. So let's go ahead and just check this out. I think right there it's perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and use my scraper and scrape that down. Go ahead and peel it once you have it ready. Oh. And that actually looks really nice. Look at how gorgeous that looks. Isn't that cute? It's like gonna be a birthday gift basket. So I did make happy birthday on there, which I wanna add since it is a birthday. So we're gonna add the happy in the top and then the birthday at the bottom. So make sure you get this nice and right. I think right there is perfect. Set it down. Peel it off. Nice and slow. And that looks very good. I'm gonna put the birthday at the bottom. So if it touches, I'm okay with that. As long as the whole thing fits. And that looks really good. Look at how gorgeous that is. It says happy birthday. I cannot wait to make the basket. So let's put that right there like this in case you guys can see it. It's gorgeous. Now the next one is going to be a makeup tray from the dollar store. That was from the dollar store. All these are. And I wanted to add a couple of designs before I give it to her. So I got these Barbie decals on here that I'm going to be adding. Now I want to make sure I get it nice and straight before I let it go. So make sure you get it nice and straight before you set it down. Once you have it, go ahead and press on it and just remove it. Remove the transfer tape. Nice and slow. And that came out super pretty. Look at how pretty that is. Now we're gonna add more things to it. I'm gonna add the Louis Vuitton logo just around it, and on this side, and maybe on the back I might add a little heart here. I'm not sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and add them everywhere, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so what I did was I added the lips on the top, the shoe right there, and the LB logo. I actually added the lipstick there and the perfume bottle here. Now this one didn't fit, unfortunately. I could have put it like this, but I really wanted to add the makeup stuff, especially since this is what it's for. So I'll just save this for another project. It's okay, but it came out super cute. Look at this. So here are 3 DIYs that you can do really quick with your decal. Go ahead and make something and let me know how it looks, how it came out. And if you did, go ahead and tag me. I hope you guys use this even for nail polish. I think it would be great. And until next time, bye you guys.